how to uninstall and remove secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Security and Privacy. Now in here, scroll down and then tap on More Security Settings. After that, tap on Secure Folder. Now scroll down, then tap on More Settings, and then go down to the bottom and tap on Uninstall, then tap on Uninstall, and that's it. The secure folder are now removed. The data will be moved to download secure folder. So if you have any data in it, it will be saved to your download folder. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.